Hi guys, welcome back to the platform. Today I am so elated. The last video that I posted, you guys showed it so much love, and that made me super happy. Now myself, Adilux Living plus Bana Homes, we're doing some amazing things right here in Accra, Ghana. There's a lot of demand for housing units, and so we've built some, we've sold some. This time around I want to take you guys on the whole journey from breaking the grounds, building the property, all the way to the turnkey level. So it's going to be a journey. Bright is waiting for me. We secured a plot of land. This is Oyarifa, by the way, just less than a minute from the Special Eyes. If you know the Special Eyes, you know that it's very close. So you can literally walk right to the roadside. And if you're using a car, convenience is it's key. One thing we always look out for when building properties is where the property is going to be situated, because nobody wants to live too far away from town. Everybody wants access. Accessibility is key. So the location for this property is 10 out of 10. Now I'm gonna go to Bright. We'll have some conversation so we can detail exactly what we're doing here. So guys, come along. Guys, Bana Bright.
Hello.
Bana Hini Bright, CEO of Bana Homes, and he's doing so good. Amazing stuff out here. This is not the first time you've seen him on the channel. If this is your first time seeing him, that means you've got a million videos to watch. So scroll down and then watch and then keep up, right? So Bright, I was telling them that we've acquired this plot of land and we want to do some amazing stuff with it. So let's just get an overview of what we're building.
All right, so this is the Grace project.
Okay.
This is actually our second project we are doing, and so glad to announce that this is very close to the roadside. Proximity.
Yeah.
So this is a 4-bedroom house, and in terms of room sizes, the luxury, you get everything you want inside.
Exactly.
Yes.
So we're building two units, right?
Yeah.
On this plot. When did they start work?
Started yesterday. As you've seen, we started breaking the grounds, and we are moving very fast.
Very
this time
fast.
around.
I can see
so
that.
We are projecting somewhere by end of this year. Hopefully, we see the whole structure there.
Ooh.
Yes. Hopefully.
That's amazing.
Absolutely.
So, to be honest, it's going to move at a very fast pace,
Yes.
and I am promising to be here all the time to take you guys through. Also because we want to be as transparent as possible, so you know the ins and outs of building in Ghana, right? So it's going to be a whole journey. Just like you said, end of the year, somewhere along that line, these structures will be up.
Absolutely.
So as you're watching, as we're taking you along, it's currently selling actually off plan. So if you want to get on board, if you want to talk to us, let's have that conversation. Should we put the price out, or should we wait a little bit?
Let's wait a little bit.
It's amazing. Can we go closer?
Yeah.
You're looking at very modern, functional units out here. I mean, now Oyarifa is expanding. It's growing very quickly.
Very quickly.
A lot of people are moving out here. If you want to be in the city but not so much in there, this is the perfect balance, basically.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of properties out here, and it was so easy to get here. I
So
think when we're
easy.
going back, I will film the road so they can see it. Perfect access. Okay. As soon as you get to the Special
Right. Okay, to the
Eyes,
Special Eyes. Yeah.
just branch in,
You're
and
right,
you're here.
You're here.
You're home.
Mhm.
It's amazing. Oh, it's really
Yeah.
good. And I like that we're here during the rainy
The
season
rainy
as
season.
well, because I
Yes,
want them to
I know.
see that this is not a waterlogged
That's why I brought you here,
area.
to see what goes into the building. I mean, everything that's going to go into the building.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why
So,
we're here under the
It's
rain.
like we're going to do it together.
Yes,
So
it's going to be
definitely
amazing,
amazing.
really.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I know right now everybody's thinking, oh, Accra that I'm going to buy a house see is going to flat. It's going to rain. It's going to
raining.
flat. It's raining. It's been raining this whole
Absolutely.
week, and this place is perfectly fine. So conducive that they're able to carry on with their works, and works is going to go on with time. So, I mean, this is the first spot. This is our latest development that I was so itching to like show to you guys. But we've done some amazing stuff in the past, just like I said in the beginning. There are some units that we're completing.
Absolutely.
Almost done.
Almost done.
And
About
we'll
80% done.
Exactly.
So you can check that side.
Yeah.
That is actually the first phase. So this is the second.
This is the
phase.
second phase.
Yes.
Exactly. If you missed the first phase, I mean, we're here to show you the second phase. So 4-bedroom residences. You can see how calm the neighborhood is. It's very, very quiet, very decent. I like it actually. It's super, super cool.
View.
The mountain view. Do you know I didn't notice it?
Oh, very close to the mall as well. The
you
Oyarifa
can
mall,
see the fog. Ah, that's so pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's close to the
very close to the Oyarifa mall.
Yeah, so
a lot of amenities around. Police station. If you're looking for schools and all that, you are going to get them here.
That's good.
Yes.
He scouted. He looked for the best options out there to put up the structure. Yes. Yeah. It's really, really super, super cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We'll be sharing it, guys. If you have any questions, any comments, just put it down there in the comment section. Always come by here to show you progress and updates. I'm so super excited about this particular one. It will be thrilling, to be very honest.
Absolutely.
And the last video, a lot of you were like, you want Brett and I to do your construction for you. You want us to do A, B, C, D. We're open, right?
Yeah,
We've had conversations with some of you that are coming down into the country, looking at the latter part of the year. So, yeah, list the services for them.
All right, so we are into general construction. I mean, we do everything in terms of construction, general construction, land surveying. We build from scratch, as you can see what they are doing right now. So we'll be very willing to work with you guys and take you through your construction project.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Interior as well. You guys loved the kitchen in that last video. I mean, we're doing the same thing at phase 1. We'll be doing the same thing here. It's good that we've taken you through the process and shown you some of the stuff we've done in the past, so you know that what is going to happen here is quality assured. So it's really, really thrilling. All right, should we go see the other one?
Let's go. Let's do it.
All right, guys, come along.
Sure.
So we're here. The
The
last time I came, we were on that side.
That side, just behind. Yeah.
And then we sold a unit there, completed it. The client is very, very happy. Maybe one of these days we'll talk to him. Yeah. So he decided to expand. We got this extra lot here, and then, yeah, let's go see where we've reached.
Sure.
After you.
Okay. Still under construction. I think probably.
So these are bungalows.
Yeah, these are bungalows.
Okay.
We're doing 3 units of this, 3 of this.
Okay.
Actually, so.
Let's see. This is cool. How many bedrooms?
This 3 bedrooms. Yeah.
When do you think completion date will be?
Hopefully, we're looking at somewhere end of August.
End of August.
Yeah.
Okay.
End of August, we should be done.
All 3 units are available.
Yeah, all 3 units available.
This is the living area.
Yes, this is the living area.
Open concept.
Open concept. We have a small dining here as well.
That's
the
cool.
kitchen.
That's the kitchen.
Yes.
Guest washroom.
Guest washroom.
Okay. We'll just walk around so you have an idea of the layout. Then I'll come in when the weather is, better conditions, and then you guys will actually see what it is.
So let's look at the kitchen first.
Okay.
And, yeah, still ongoing. Yet to be fixed. You're not fixing the cabinets. Yeah.
Okay. And you know it's going to be quality because you've seen the previous ones, and you guys are like this. So yeah. Oh good, oh good, oh good.
Okay, so let's check the rooms.
Okay. Boss, it's the same. Thank you.
This one, yeah. No P, but then. This is one of the rooms.
This is one?
Yes,
okay.
This one. The master is on this side.
This has bigger sizes than what we went
These
to
are
see.
very, I mean, some differences I would say that.
Good. This This is another.
Yeah.
Which one is the master? Is it this one?
No, this is not the master.
This is not the master.
The master is
That's
here.
the master. Okay. There's a whole tent in here for the guys. Then, oh, okay. This is the master.
Yeah.
Oh, the washroom is sizable. That's cool. And it's the same layout for all.
The same layout. The same layout. Very big compound.
I really like the. Let's look at what's at the back.
Okay. You can use the side. Let's see.
The glass.
The glass.
That's super cool.
So, serious view. I mean, so for people who really love nature, I mean, I think there's something that they really
So pretty. So that's a breeze, isn't it?
Yeah, really. Kitase.
Kitase, right.
Those view.
Okay, Kitase, Abakobi Hills,
Abakobi Hills,
Brekusu,
yeah.
Yeah. So that's like a gigantic mountain. And you have the fog seeping down. That's so pretty. So cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
So still
the compound though. How many cars can take this space?
This can take about 5 cars.
Yeah,
let's look at the side.
It's big.
About 3 here. You can also park 2 cars here. And then 3 cars can fit here.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's cool. What's this little
so this
area?
is going to be like some green area
Some
where
greenery.
you can do your contomere, your other stuff and all that there.
Your mini garden.
Your mini garden and
stuff.
Over there.
That's
Yeah.
cool. That's really, really cool.
Yes.
It's amazing. It's really amazing. It says 1, 2, and the third one will be there.
Yes.
Okay. All right. What's the pricing?
So probably looking at 130,000.
Okay. That's cool.
Let me quote it in cedis.
In cities.
Yes, so 1.3 million Ghana cedis.
That's cool.
Yes,
Flats.
yes.
1.3 million
Ghana
cities,
cedis, yes.
basically. So
flexible payment plan. I mean, you can propose your payment plan and then.
But what payment plan do you currently have?
We do 60% down, then we can spread the rest over 24 months.
Okay, that's
Yes.
decent.
Yes.
Okay. I'll work the numbers and then put it on the screen so you know
Absolutely.
exactly how much the 60% is. But that is amazing. So if you want to live in a very calm neighborhood,
Absolutely.
wake up to the fog descending,
Yes.
so super cool, then this is the place to be. This area is just about, say, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
To Oyarifa Ghana flag.
Ghana flag,
Yes.
exactly. Yeah, so it's also very close to the roadside, like we said, strategic locations, okay?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a home, this is the place to be. This place is very, very well developed. I mean, everything is here already, and the roads are better than some of the most popular places that you know in this country that you go and buy a house for 600 million Ghana
Yes,
cedis
so
and you can't go home when
you
it
can't go
rains.
home. It's still raining.
Because
but
it's
then-
raining and we're
Yes,
here,
yeah,
right? So
yes.
access is amazing, right?
Yeah.
You know the pricing. If you want to book a viewing, of course, we're ready and available to bring you, show you what it has to offer. Like we said, completion date August.
August. End of August,
End of
probably.
August.
You should see this whole thing in a very different stage.
Yeah,
Yes.
I mean, I'll be coming here. We'll be showing you
Around.
all the stages, all the
Yes.
processes. They're currently at the finishing stage, right?
Yes, we are now finishing it.
Yeah, so it's going to be very, very thrilling. Painting works.
Painting works,
yeah.
kitchen, and other fitting
Yeah.
amenities will come in very soon.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. All right, guys, so get in touch. The contacts are in the description. Come see it, and if you like the area, come put in a payment, and then you can be one of the very few people to own in a space like this. Getting property here is not easy, to be very,
Absolutely.
very honest,
Yeah.
because, I mean, this is Accra. Prices are skyrocketing on a daily,
Right.
so we're trying to, you know, make some reasonable change in the market. So if this works for you, then let's talk about it. You've seen
Sure.
it. We'll come back next week
Absolutely.
to show you the updates as well. So
I'm waiting for you guys. Yeah, sure.
if you have any questions, like I said previously, put it down there in the comment section. We're reading, we're replying. If you want to book a viewing, come around. And if you want us to build for you, if you require some services in real estate, kitchen fitting, interior fittings, anything be it, let's just talk about it and we get you on lock. Someone literally asked me for if they can buy the blueprints to one of the properties. You guys have some serious asks, but ask away. Let's talk about it, okay? All right. So for
Okay.
now, it's bye.
Bye.
See you in the next
Sure.
one.